there, Nicole here, back for another Biz Tip Thursday, and I just got back from shopping at Bath & Body Works. Now, a couple different things about this story today. Number one, I had a little money mindset trigger at Bath & Body Works that I wanted to share with you because this might happen to you as well. And that was when I went in there, I was having lunch with my husband. It's Monday, he's off. That's what we usually do on Mondays. I was like, I'm gonna go down and get some soap because Christmas is in a couple weeks and I want my hands to smell festive when I wash my hands in my kitchen leading up to Christmas. So where do I like to go to get really good smelling soaps? Okay, Bath & Body Works. Yes, I know it's an assault on your senses when you walk in there, but in small doses, it works really, really well. So anyway, I walked in there, I went straight to the soap wall and immediately, know what my mind said? It said, oh my gosh, 4 for $20, that's $5 a soap. That seems excessive. Nicole, do you really need to spend $5 a soap? Okay, and then actually it was $4.50 a soap because it was 6 for $27. So pricing psychology got me. I'm like, well, I'll just get 6 because I'll use them. So anyway, still, my mind was thinking, that seems expensive. Nicole, you don't need to spend that much money for soap. What are you doing? All right, so a couple different things to consider there. Number one, where are you running into that mindset, that little voice in your head saying, excuse me, this seems a little expensive. Are you sure you want to do that? Because there's something to unpack there. And secondly, this goes back to even our value as a photographer too. This is not the same thing as what I could get less expensive somewhere else. Yes, I could go to Target or Walmart and get a 99-cent thing of soap. Guess what? It's not going to be pretty to match the Christmas decor in my house, and it's not going to smell nearly as good, and it's probably not going to be foaming. All right, that might be $1.50. But anyway, it's a different experience. It's a different quality of product. And so we can start to say the same thing when we're looking at pricing our own work. You know, yes, our clients can get it cheaper somewhere else. There is always someone cheaper. But what is the value that you're bringing? What is the product that you're bringing? What is the quality of product, quality of image that you are bringing to the market and to that potential client? So I want you to remember that. And I want you to go ahead and treat yourself to the soap. It doesn't have to be the soap, but is there something else that you're like, man, I really enjoy this, but then that little voice in the back of your head says, you can get it cheaper, don't spend the money on this. But if it brings you joy, it is 100% worth it. Where else can I bring a little smile to my face for like weeks at a time for $5? Yeah, not a lot of places other than soap. So you're allowed to buy the soap, you're allowed to buy the flowers, you're allowed to get the massage. These are things that bring joy into our life, that make us smile, that make us enjoy the day, if even only for a few minutes. But it is 100% worth it, and you are worth it, and your work is worth it, and your prices are worth it, and yeah. Let's make sure that we value what we have as well, so that way other people will as well. Anyway, just wanted to pop in, wish you a happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, Happy Festivus, whatever you are celebrating, and have a great 2022. Talk to you soon.